That's Stray's tutoring? Hey guys, welcome to another video where we'll be briefly going over what is the solar system and memorizing the planets in the solar system. This is a bit different for me. It is an astronomy video. You guys are used to biochemistry, biology, chemistry videos, but we can always throw some astronomy in there. It's also a love of mine on the side. I'm not an expert astronomer. I just know the basics, so that is what I will present to you guys. So what exactly is the solar system? The solar system is a gravitational bound system of the sun with planets and other objects. Like you see in this picture, we do have our guy, the sun, big and bright. And then we have planets that orbit this big red beast, orange, red, whatever. It's a hot beast, okay? So we have Mercury, we have Venus, Earth, and of course we have our guy, the moon, that orbits the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Pluto is kind of weird because some consider it a planet, others don't, because of certain characteristics, and it might drift off into our solar system one day for all we know. But that'll be for another video or some expert astronomer to explain. But for the most part, this is our solar system. It formed 4.6 billion years ago, and most of the masses in the sun and Jupiter, as you see, these are pretty large. And how gravity works is objects will orbit a larger mass. So of course, the larger mass is the sun and then Jupiter. So they are very massive and make up for most of the mass of the solar system. Okay? So if we go into our next slide, let's cue the clock, the shot clock. In under 5 minutes, we're going to memorize all of the planets in the solar system. So if you guys are ever stuck into, what's that show called? Who Wants to Be a Millionaire or a Billionaire? You guys will know. We have an acronym here. I call it MVEMJ Sun. So you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And if you ever confuse the two M's, think Earth will always be next to Mars. If anyone knows that, whenever we talk about Earth, we always talk about landing on Mars or Martians. So E and M will be next to each other. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And boom, that should have been well over 5 minutes unless I talk too much. But MVEMJ Sun is a way to memorize these planets. So again, if you're stuck on Who Wants to Be a Billionaire, are you smarter than a 5th grader? I don't know if that show still exists. You guys will know that it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. MVEMJ Sun. Kind of like Jason, but without the A. And then MVEM. I don't know, just MVEMJ Sun. So again, these are the planets that are in the solar system. And of course, you have our big old sun right there. So now we ask, what is beyond this? This is going beyond the video because it was supposed to be real short. But for the curious people, we have like an asteroid belt. Of course, we have our Neptune, and then far out is Pluto. And I have an image somewhere here, if I can pull it up right there, where you'll see Neptune, and then Pluto is far out. You can see it right here. And then we have our Kuiper belt, of course, which is comets, asteroids, and things of that nature. So that's why I have this, this animation here with all this stuff here. So out there is Pluto and the Kuiper belt. So this was a quick video, guys. You guys remember the solar system. You guys will be millionaires when you guys are on that show because of MVEMJ Sun. Solar system, we have all these planets that orbit this big massive sun, and the mass is really for Jupiter, the sun, and you guys got it. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next video. I hope to do more astronomy-like videos, the basic knowledge as I can, not the crazy mathematics and astrophysics, because I am not there yet. But I'll see you guys next video. All right, peace.